Alright guys, so today I wanted to do an unboxing and review on my Sugar Tang necklace. It's a cross necklace, so it's super excited to wear it. I'm always wearing one, so now that we got one that's a little bit better quality than what I got on right now, super excited. But it comes with this really nice box, and then it got another casing in it. So this would make like a great gift. Alright, and here's what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to take it out. So it's 18 karat plated over sterling silver. Ooh, it's really nice. Let's take this out. Check it out. It's got moissanite stone on it. Really nice. This is what the other part looks like. Like really stands out, so I like that. Let's put it on and see what it looks like. And before I put it on, this is what the back and what it hooks onto looks like. So that way, I'm always curious as to how it hooks up. So this will just hook right into here. So we'll go ahead and put it on. All right, and this is what it looks like once you have it on. One thing that I'll say is like I really like how shiny the cross actually is, and it's sturdy and just really. I just like the way it really stands out. And this can be for men and women. Like I said, it makes a great gift, and the way they even send it is really, really nice. So if you're looking for a nice cross necklace, I highly recommend this one. And one thing also, just last thing to keep in mind is they also make it in gold, or like this white gold plated. So they make it in different styles. So if you don't like it this way, you can get it in gold. So again, highly recommended. Definitely a 10 out of 10.